This is the Ninja Auto IQ One-Touch Intelligence System, 1200 watts. I got this on Black Friday for $99 from Target, free shipping plus 5% off with Target card. So let's see the features. It says that it's a nutrient extraction, precision processing, and total crushing technology. So you have 3 cups. Let's open it up. Quick assembly guide right here. That's nice. How boost works. Auto IQ boost. Use boost for the finest breakdown. Okay, blender, pitcher, food process. Okay. We're good. Look at that. Some specs. So these are all the attachment or accessories. And this is the pamphlet. So you get 30 quick, easy recipe guide here. Help you out. Rainbow smoothie. That sounds pretty good, actually. Blueberry chill. Lean green, mango, okay, we get the idea. And here are your instructions. Let's pop this open. So right here I see the regular blender. This looks like the extractor. You get max 710 mLs, max liquid right here. Nice looking blade. Look at that. Never had a Ninja before. I did have the NutriBullet, which practically died. And here is a warning label. Loose, sharp blades. Okay, so this is our blender. Total crushing technology, right? Alright, let's get back into the box. Oh, you see, this is why you always have to be careful. There's things hiding. Looks like another attachment. So, that'll come in handy. And on the bottom is the machine. So, the bulk of the stuff that's there, and I have a cap, almost get lost. This is for the blender when you're done, so you can store your smoothies. It's always handy. So I can see there's a lock and a lock button or switch. We have our blender cap right here. Looks like there's a nice pour spout. Now this is just the unboxing, guys, so if you want to see a full video of making a smoothie, I'll leave that to you. Put it in the comment section. We could do some smoothies and some recipes. Again, this is the Ninja Auto IQ One-Touch Technology Intelligence. And here is our food processor. This is pretty heavy duty. 5 cups. It says right there. Everything is nicely sealed so that it's not flapping around and getting broken. So let me take this out of the way so we can get a good look at the contents. So we get a cap. I love how everything was packaged by Ninja. That was great. Nice and safe, so you don't hurt yourself on the blades. You see those triple blades in there? And so this is the attachment that would go for this guy. I'm not putting it on because it's already stickered and I want to read the instructions. Has anybody gotten this Ninja Auto IQ system? This does say that the model is BL493, in case you guys are interested. But these are all the components that came with this machine for $99. I think this was a steal. I can't wait to use it. You can see all the buttons that are on here. Very nice presentation. Again, if you guys want to see any recipes, smoothies, using the food processor or the blender, let me know in the comments. We do smoothies a lot here, so check it out. Let me know, what do you think this Ninja IQ is going to do for me? And if you have any other blenders that you would recommend or want to see, also leave it in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. Hit it, make it turn gray for the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.